Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change out the battery on your Karcher Window Vac. This one here is a WV5 and they've made it super easy. Unfortunately on some other models you have to undo all the screws and the battery's soldered to the board. Not the case on this one. All you have to do is press in on this little grey tab towards the back. Yeah, so press in there and then just lift it down and you will see the battery will pop out like so. And this is the battery here. You can buy replacements from eBay, Amazon, Karcher, even Screwfix here in the UK sell them, so very, very common. When you get your replacement one, you see this little grey tab that sticks out. That needs to just fit in this bit here first of all, and then it's going to pivot down. So in here, like so, and down, and it will click back into place. This is the electrical connection just here. Now, hopefully, if your window vac is playing up, replacing the battery will fix it, but it could have other issues. Maybe there's a blockage and it's turning off and your battery could be fine. Or in my case on this one, there was a problem with the little where the motor attached to the impeller type thing that produces the airflow. That was actually loose and it kept turning off after about 5 seconds of use, even though the battery was okay. If you have a look at the battery here, you can see that it's a 3.7 volt DC, 2100 milliamp hours, 7.8 watt hours. So that's the battery there. And if you look very closely here, you can see that it says positive and negative. So the one on the left hand side is positive, the one on the very right hand side is negative. So it's a 3.7 volt battery, but because it's lithium, when they're fully charged, they'll be around about 4.2 volts. So if you put your multimeter to DC voltage, you'll be able to read the battery by going across here and here. Unfortunately, you will need very small probes, but you can see there it's 4 volts. So there's quite a bit of charge in this battery here. So that's it, nice and straightforward to do. Thanks for watching.